subscribe, like, share.
Hello everyone, pro drumstick drummer Kenny Sherritt's here on the road with Elvis Costello, enjoying this brand new Diodario tech bag. It's absolutely phenomenal, y'all. And I'm actually not using it as a tech bag, I'm using it as a travel bag because I got my hard work box out here. But I needed a backpack that I could fly overseas with, that could carry some clothes, my laptop, my hard drives for the videos I'm working on the channel, a sundry of other tools I always want to have on me. And bro, ladies, gentlemen, this bag is killing it. So I want y'all to check out some of the things I've done with it. I'm going to put my little flashlight on here because this is actually where I normally carry my flashlight. It's got extra batteries, a slot for my flashlight. I've got my little pad here and a place for my wallet in the backpack. I've got another zip pouch up here that's got all the little sundries. Got my passport pens, little toothpicks, little breath mints, man, it's awesome. In here, I've got the top pouch that actually carries my power supplies for British conversion and European conversion, my little tie for the show. My gimbal will go in there, and then you've got this set of multiple compartments in here where I can carry my Bluetooth speaker. I've got clothes underneath that little bit of spray so I don't smell bad during the day. Got some other units that I'm using, my little tools going on in here, and even a place back in there for a drumstick set to go all the way down, y'all. Man, it goes into the backpack. It's got a little slot for it. And then I come back up in here in the top, and I have all my drives, all my in-ears, all my medicines, even butt wipes, because we are civilized out here. We got everything we need inside there. And the best part of this is if I zip this up, flip it over, I got side pouches here for everything. And a place for my laptop right back here that covers easy on the back. You would think this bag is heavy. It's not terribly heavy. The straps work amazingly. Y'all, this is hands down the best bag I've ever traveled with in my life in terms of just being a roadie on the road. Because again, I was able to fly overseas with a change of clothes in my bag. I got toiletries in there. I got everything I could need in case my bags don't make it. I got a couple of days rolling, a couple of drum keys and tools that they can't take. So I'm ready to perform no matter what happens, y'all. Diodario tech bag. Get y'all some, because this thing, phenomenal.
Like, share, subscribe.